Hi friends, it is so wonderful to see you again. My name is Mara. I know it's been a really long time since I made a video, but my computer stopped working and I have a new computer now, so let's get back on board to learning some new words. Today we're going to learn new words associated with COVID-19. C-O-V-I-D and then the number 19, which is 19. The next word is inhaler, I-N-H-A-L-E-R, inhaler. The next word is asthma, A-S-T-H-M-A, asthma. The next word is lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. The next word is headache, H-E-A-D-A-C-H-E, headache. The next word is breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E. And without the E is the word breath, just in case you need to know that, but breathe has an E on the end. The next word is mucus, M-U-C-U-S, mucus. The next word is body, B-O-D-Y, body. The next word is fever, F-E-V-E-R, fever. The next word is temperature. That temperature is T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature. The next word is thermometer, T-H-E-R-M-O-M-E-T-E-R, thermometer. Cough, C-O-U-G-H, cough. Now I know the word cough sounds like it has an F in it, but the G is silent. It has that F sound, but this is the correct way to spell it. And I have basic yes and no, just in case you cannot breathe and you're unable to speak and you just need to give a basic yes and no statement. Yes is Y-E-S and no is N-O. I hope these words have been very helpful to you, and also I want to give a shout out. I want to give a shout out to some commenters on my channel, as well as to some people who have newly subscribed. Tenzin, Cheyenne, Empty Thought, Baby Doll Mackay, and Edwin Maysop. Please forgive me if I left anyone out. I appreciate all of you. Okay. I want you to take out a sheet of paper, and as I read each sentence for your homework, I want you to write it out without looking at the answers in the description box or in the comment section below. Just use the honesty system. Okay, the first sentence. Please test me for COVID-19. Please test me for COVID-19. Sentence number 2. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. Sentence number 3. I need an asthma inhaler. I need an asthma inhaler. Sentence number 4. How do I use an inhaler? How do I use an inhaler? And remember to put a question mark at the end of that sentence. Sentence number 5. My chest hurts. My chest hurts. Sentence number 6. I have mucus on my lungs. I have mucus on my lungs. Sentence number 7. I have a headache. I have a headache. Sentence number 8. My temperature is high. My temperature is high. Sentence number 9. I need a thermometer. I need a thermometer. Sentence number 10. I have a fever. I have a fever. Sentence number 11. My body aches. My body aches. Sentence number 12. I have a bad cough. I have a bad cough. Sentence number 13. Hopefully you'll get to say really soon, I feel much better. I feel much better. And the mark at the end of that sentence is an exclamation mark. Sentence number 14. I do not have COVID-19. I do not have COVID-19. If you just started watching this channel, please create a notebook and print out all of the PDFs in the homework tab on my WordPress website and create a notebook so that you can keep up with everything that you learn here and trace over those sentences and words and practice them so that you can get them down in your head. So in case you cannot breathe or are incapacitated in some type of way, then you can still communicate by writing, especially if you're by yourself. Okay, now let's go over that drink that is really good that you can make to help remove mucus off of the lungs. You can use ginger, and I recommend fresh ginger because it will be more potent, it will be more strong, and it will give you that heating sensation that you need. It'll make you feel more hot right away. And if you don't know how to make your own ginger drink, you can always go to a vegetarian, vegan restaurant where they make fresh ginger and just purchase it there, hopefully when they make it fresh. Also cayenne pepper, onion juice, and you can make onion juice by getting any onions and blending them up in a blender and just drink the juice that way. Also garlic, and garlic can come in the form of a garlic clove, garlic juice or garlic salt, orange juice, lemon, hopefully fresh lemon, if not then organic lemon juice, and turmeric. Turmeric is a spice. Also get plenty of vitamin D. You get that naturally from the sun. And our people, you know, we love being out in the sun anyway, so you don't necessarily have to take any pills. You can just get it free from the sun. If you are a person who just wants to simplify this, then definitely the ginger drink would suffice, along with some cayenne pepper if you want to do a more inexpensive or a quicker version of this. If you don't have the ginger, then at least the cayenne pepper, you know, then that would help. By making a tea out of that, just boil some water or put some water in the microwave, and then you can add all those substances that I just mentioned. Well, for watching, like and subscribe, share this video, do the homework. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.